Good morning, students. Let us see the topic sociology as a science. ಸಮಾಜಶಾಸ್ತ್ರವು ಒಂದು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. Sociology as a science. In earlier class, we all studied what is sociology, definitions of sociology, and various characteristics of sociology. In these all says that sociology is a science. In definition also says that sociology is a science, and in meaning we can understand sociology is a science. Totally we says that sociology is a science or sociology is a social science. Why? Because science is a study of, or science is systematic study of knowledge, or science is a systematically gaining knowledge. So sociology also a systematic study or comprehensive study of human society very systematically. So in meaning and definition we can understand that sociology as a science. ನಾವು ಸಮಾಜಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಎಂಬುದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಸಮಾಜಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು ಪೀಠಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸಮಾಜಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಸಮಾಜ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಏನು ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ವೈಜ್ಞಾನಿಕವಾಗಿ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಅಥವಾ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಯಾವುದು ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅಥವಾ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅಥವಾ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಆದರೆ ಸಮಾಜಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನು, ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾನವ ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಕಾಂಪ್ರಹೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ systematically. So we understand that sociology is a science, but there is a continuous debate among the scholars about the scientific nature of sociology. ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ವೆದರ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಾಲಜಿ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು. ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ divided on the issue whether sociology is a science or even can be a science, and whether it should try to be a science. Thus the sociology is a science. There is a continuous debate among the scholars about the scientific nature of sociology. Some scholars are divided on the issue whether sociology is a science or sociology is a science, or even sociology is a science, and whether it should be tried to be as a science. For this, the American sociologist W.F. Ogburn, American famous sociologist W.F. Ogburn is one of the American sociologists. He opinion that sociology is a science. Opinions that sociology is a science. According to him, a science to be judged by three criteria. According to him, science is judged by three major criteria. What are that criteria? First one, reliability of its body of knowledge. Second one, its organization of knowledge. Third one, methods of study. For these three major criteria, W.F. Ogburn, and famous and American sociologist, argued that sociology as a science. Let us discussing one by one. Okay. First one, reliability of its body of knowledge. Science is depend upon reliable knowledge. Science is depend upon reliable knowledge. Reliable knowledge ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಂಬಲರ್ಹವಾದಂತಹ ಜ್ಞಾನ. ಸಮಾಜ ಅಥವಾ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ನಂಬಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ನಾವು ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅನ್ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, science is reliable, depends upon the reliable knowledge, In this regard, sociology has made a promising beginnings. Some sociological study of, for example, sociological study of population. Why it is reliability of its body of knowledge? Because he given example. What are that? First, sociological study of population, the family, group of behavior, the evolution of institutions, the process of change, and social stratification, social mobility. Such other topics are considered to be reliable. So, he says that science is the reliability of its body of knowledge. So, all these examples were proved as science is, as sociology is a science. Proved that sociology as a science. Why? Because science is organization, or science is depends upon the reliable. For this, he given example like sociological reliable or sociological knowledge. It can be reliable. What are that sociological reliability? For example, sociological studies of population, the family, group of behavior. These are all about sociological studies conducted by some sociologists. It can be proved as a reliable. So, he says that, W.F. Ogburn says that science is the reliability of its body of knowledge. He attached this example for sociology as a science. Okay. And second one, the organization of knowledge. Organization of knowledge. He also explaining sociology as a science with the second major criteria, that is science is or its organization of knowledge. It says that it is a science. Science is a organized. Science is an organized. As regards the organization of knowledge, it is able to acquire dependable knowledge. It is able to acquire dependable knowledge in a number of areas. It is able to acquire knowledge or gain the knowledge with the dependable knowledge in a number of areas like family, kutumba, family, marriage, racism, and some social problems like alcoholism and dowry system, sati system, and child marriage system, child labor. These all are the some social problems in the society. These all areas it is able to acquire dependable knowledge. Thus, sociology as its organization of knowledge according to W.F. Ogburn. Then third major criteria, that is methods of study. Methods of study follows the scientific method and its studies and investigation. Science follows the scientific method where it's studies and investigation. When we are going to investigation or investigate the things or studies the things, at time we follows the scientific method. Science compulsory follows the scientific method for its methods of studies and investigation. Okay, for its methods of studies and investigation, science compulsory follows the scientific method. That is also says that W.F. Ogburn says that methods of study. And sociology has a quite number of other methods beside experimental method. In social science or in sociology, also applying scientific method, it has quite a number of other methods beside experimental methods. Besides experimental methods, like for example, historical method, case study method, social survey method. These case study and social survey methods are in coming under social research. ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಸಂಶೋಧನೆ ಎಂಬುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ case study method and social survey method. These scientific method or investigation made by sociologists or made by a people by systematic method or scientific method. Thus, W.F. Ogburn says that sociology as a science. Why? Because science compulsory follow the methods of study or scientific method. So, we says that, or W.F. Ogburn says that sociology as a science for these three major criteria. It's the reliability of its body of knowledge, second one is the organization of knowledge, and third one methods of study. These all explaining as a sociology as a science by the W.F. Ogburn. Okay, let us see the another topic, that is factors that contributed emergence of sociology. Factors that contributed emergence of sociology. Sociology began to emerge as a separate discipline only around the middle of the 19th century. Sociology emerged, or sociology began to emerge as a separate discipline only around the middle of the 19th century. And Auguste Comte, father of sociology, Auguste Comte laid the foundations to modern sociology in first half of the 19th century, that is 1839. In definition and the meaning of sociology, study that Auguste Comte is emerged, or Auguste Comte is a father of sociology, and he coined the term sociology in 1839. Here also we says that sociology began to emerge as a separate discipline or separate social science only around the middle of the 19th century, and Auguste Comte laid the foundation, or Auguste Comte laid the foundations to modern sociology in first half of the 19th century, that is 1839. And social science such as history, economics, political science, psychology and sociology etc. through have a long history of their own could get recognition as a social science only in 18th and 19th century. Here also we says that social sciences like history, economics, political science, psychology and sociology etc. through have a long history of throughout could get the recognition as a social science in 18th and 19th century. There are three main factors or three major factors influenced on the emergence of the sociology. There are main three factors influenced on the development of or emergence of the sociology. What are that factors? There are three main factors. First factor, impact of twin revolution. What are twin revolutions? French and Industrial Revolution. Twin revolution means two revolution. Twin revolution, that is French and Industrial Revolution. And second factors, that is inspiration from the growth of natural and other social sciences. Inspiration from the growth of natural and other social sciences. And also third one, inspiration provided by the studies of different societies and culture. Inspiration provided by the studies of different societies and culture. These three major factors contributed, or three major factors influenced to the contribution of emergence of sociology. These three factors are explaining in next class. Okay, we will explain in next class. This emergence of sociology is coming 5 marks or 10 marks question. Exactly it is coming 5 marks, or it may be come 2 marks also. Write any two factors that influenced on the emergence of sociology. Any 2 factor we will write. 1, 2, 3 factors are there. Any 2 for 2 marks. But in 5 marks we critically explaining these 3 also. These 3 major factors also we can explaining for 5 marks. You expect this is very important question. You expect the question in exam. Okay.